Everyone, my name is Mannat Gupta and my student ID is 303666594, and my topic is the potential impact of 3D printing on the snack food industry. 3D printing is fast moving and growing thing which manufactures a three-dimensional object. CAD stands for computer aided design, which increase productivity and creativity and helps in developing technology more fastly, which analyzes and recreate high performance parts in their gadgets, which attracts the customers. Another thing we are talking about that is snack food industry, which is very profitable industries, and it is snack food is like small munchings which customers can buy for their ready to eat things and which can make their tummies all filled. For this we have done brainstorming. For that we have a strong packing material for snack food shape analysis, and attractive toys in snack food, because most of the customers are kids and they are attracted with toys or something via packaging which are catchy for them. For that, the component that will change after it was like we have designer designing on price of paper of snack food design, then analysis with more professionals, then result of analysis success, then move to production line. But after it's like it become easy. It's like design shape of food in software as 3D model, then analysis of structure and geometry done in software, move to production line faster with less cost to analysis. These are my references. Thank you to all.